In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste charts from Google Forms to a Word document. This is a simple yet essential skill to master, especially if you're working on reports or need to share visual data with colleagues or clients. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to get better at managing digital content, this guide will help you make the process quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your Google form. If you haven't already done so, find the particular Google form you're working with and open it up. Once you've got that ready, navigate to the Responses tab. This is where you'll find all the collected data from the form submissions. It's also the place where Google Forms automatically converts data into visual charts, making it a perfect starting point for what we are about to do. Now, look for the specific chart you wish to copy. This could be a pie chart, bar graph, or any type of data visualization that has been generated based on the responses. Click on that chart. Simply selecting it will prepare it for the next step, which is to copy it to your clipboard. Once your chart is selected, it's time to copy it. You can do this by clicking on Copy Chart if you see this option handy. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C on a Windows computer or CMD+C on a Mac. This will place the chart into your clipboard, ready to be transferred wherever you need it next. With the chart safely copied, the next step is to open up your Word document. This document should be the one where you intend to place your Google Forms chart. Once open, navigate to the spot within the document where you want to insert the chart. Here, you'll simply paste the chart into your document. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or by using the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. And there you have it. The chart from your Google form is now neatly nestled within your Word document, ready for you to edit, format, or simply admire. This process is a convenient way to make sure your data is presented clearly and effectively in all your reports or presentations. Remember, being able to proficiently move data between applications is crucial in maximizing efficiency and clarity in your work. So take a few moments to practice these steps until they become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the future.